Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Just wanted to take this time, go over with you quickly what the markets are doing in pre-market hours here. It's about 8:55 a.m. on Tuesday, October 20th. So we're seeing the markets climb a little bit here. If you take a look at Qs, we got a nice green candle there, small one, not up too much, about 0.4% gain this morning. SPY, same thing, small gain up about, a little less than 0.5% here for the morning. And Diamond ETF here, same thing. We're getting a little bit of a climb. Let's see here. A little bit of a climb this morning, and everything's really relying on the stimulus talk. So Pelosi and Mnuchin are going to be meeting again today. They're going to be speaking, so we'll see how that goes and see how the markets hold up. If there's any signs of a breakdown below previous candle's body, then that's signs that we have to get rid of our longs and be looking for some more puts here. We have a protective put to cover our longs, which is looking great. Everything's just about green here, except for Google's down about $3. U.S. Justice Department announced that they're filing suit against them. Let's see, though. So some of the upgrades, downgrades today. Here's our daily newsletter right here. As you guys could see, we have Workday that was upgraded from neutral to overweight from 248 to 275. So if we take a look at Workday here, WDAY, we'll see that. That's getting a nice climb off that 10-day simple moving average. Looking good. We also have, now remember that was upgraded to 275. Logitech had earnings. They're upgraded from neutral to overweight. Dave & Buster's market performed to outperform 17 to 26 new target. Downgrades, Con Edison, ED, brokerage, Goldman, neutral to sell, 86 to 78 target. And then you can see the target changes down here. Credit Suisse raised Facebook target from 315 to 322. Shares rose 0.5% to 260, 257 in the pre-market. Remember what we're looking for now with Facebook here. If we bring up the Facebook chart, you're going to see what we want to look for is that break above that consolidation area. So if you guys could take a look here, you could see that we got a tight consolidation box here with Facebook. So if we get a green candle above that consolidation box, above 270 here, we get that green candle like that, that's going to be our buy signal on Facebook. So that's what I'm waiting for here with Facebook for that buy signal. We're just holding that 20-day simple moving average for right now. Not too much going on with Facebook, but it was just upgraded and it's looking pretty decent there. So we'll keep an eye on Facebook. Another one here. So Jeffries lifted the price target on Google Alphabet from 1,800 to 1,885. Google shares fell a little bit in pre-market hours due to that Justice Department filing a long-awaited antitrust suit against Google. So that's why Google had that pullback a little bit there. But you see what happens when the Justice Department does that. You'll see the analysts hurry up because they obviously probably have large positions in Google. So they'll upgrade and change the price target on Google from 1,800 to 1,850. Sherwin-Williams was raised from 700 to 785. Twitter was upgraded. Price target from 39 to 46. Let's take a look at Twitter shares here. TWTR. Twitter shares are holding that 10-day simple moving average. A body above that 10, I'd be a buyer, and I'd be looking for that $47.50 up to $50 target. And then we have Goldman raised price target on Fortinet, 143, 150. Deutsche Bank lifted the price target. Not really much else going on there. A lot of earnings, though, before market and after the bell today. So we had the banks. Procter & Gamble's getting a nice climb here in the pre-market hours after they announced great earnings there. Now, after the bell, we have Netflix, Snapchat, Texas Instruments. Those are going to be ones that I want to be looking at. I want to look at Snapchat. Not so much Netflix with the stuff going on with those, with the cutie show. They're being indicted over that. But Snapchat, I think, is going to be one that outperforms. That one's also had some price target upgrades, some analyst upgrades. So I'll be looking at Snapchat today for a possible earnings trade. And remember, those earnings trades are higher risk, so they got to be small. And remember, the market conditions are going to remain volatile until we hear any signs of a stimulus deal. So we got the little climb in the market here on Dow. We're holding that support from going back to October 15th here, so as long as we're going to be holding that, markets are looking good. But if we break below that previous candle's body there, that's going to be a sign of a shift in the market coming, and look for further retracement. So that's going to be it for this morning, guys. Everything else, and there's really not too much moving. The only thing that's up 1% or more here on my watch list is American Airlines, which is still climbing on the hopes of that stimulus talk. And then we also have Expedia here continuing to climb, looking to break that 10, 20, 50 simple moving average. So we'll see how that goes today, guys. I hope everyone has a great day today, and God bless, stay safe, and I will see you guys live shortly. Take care, guys, and have a great day.